Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Sapkota. Today I made this presentation. I hope you like it. So let's see. Computer and the Internet by Sirisa. Introduction. Today most of people are using internet through computer. Internet is very important in our daily life. It has changed the style of our daily activities. It has changed the way we communicate, the way we get information, the way we shopping, the way of reading, and soon we can't do our daily activities without internet. Internet help us in different activities. Our life become easy due to internet. In this lockdown, we can't go to school. We can't read in school. Because of internet, we can read but not in school. We can take online classes. So internet is very essential in our daily life. Internet is the largest computer network in the world. Internet is also called network of network. Billions of people are using internet. We can use internet in same time for different purposes. It is a global network of connecting millions of people around the world. Billion people are using internet in different fields such as home, hospital, canteen, etc. Uses of internet in Nepal is growing rapidly as well throughout the world. Internet is used for different purposes such as for playing games, for listening music, for searching, etc. By using internet we can send email, we can chat with family and friends, we can do assignment, project, etc. In most of houses there is internet because we all need internet. Many people are away from their family, they are in foreign, they are working in foreign country. They miss their family because of internet. Through mobile they video call to their family and they see and talk to their family. About computer introduction. A computer is an electronic machine that takes data and instruction as an input, process them accordingly to the given sets of instruction and give meaningful result as an output. A computer has no intelligence of its own. A computer has no emotion. A computer has main parts. They are mouse, monitor, keyboard, system unit. A computer has characteristics. They are versatility, accuracy, diligence, high speed, etc. A computer has make our life easy and happy. We can do our assignment in computer. We can take online classes through computer. A computer always give accurate output. A computer is used in many places such as home, school, college, shop, library, shopping mall, etc. A computer is needed. A computer is very important in our life. A computer cannot change instruction itself. We can draw, listen music, play games, sending email, collect information, etc. from computer. A computer can do several tasks. A computer is most useful machine in today's world. It is playing the role in our everyday life. It has changed the way people work. A computer has hardware and software, so a computer is very essential in our life. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this presentation. Stay safe, stay happy.